What's up, my fabulous lovebug goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook, here with another requested recipe. You ask, I'm here to deliver. You wanted me to show you how to make curry snapper fish and okra with coconut milk in my kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. I'm gonna show you all. So if you're here watching me cooking this for your first time, be sure you subscribe and then turn on your post notification settings to be reminded every time your girl upload what a brand new video. So I'm gonna jump right into the thing now, man.
Coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother.
Okay, goodie, you ready for cook? Then let's cook. Alright, we could talk about the ingredients. On my platter right here, I have tomatoes, bell peppers, scallion and thyme, onion, hot scotch bonnet pepper, and a half of fresh lemon. Make sure you have your pimento seeds for sure. Now, we are going in with the okra, and as you can see here, this is fresh okra, so we're going to cook this from start to finish. Cut it up into small pieces, and if you don't want to do that, go ahead and leave it like that, but you're going to need for sure garlic, fresh garlic. Alright, we're going to wash them snapper fish here real good. I'm going to walk you through this thing step by step and show you how to make sure so your fish in general is washed thoroughly. Now, I always use salt, lemon, and vinegar. I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar right here. So now you're going to wash your fish only using cold running water only, and we're going to wash them things there twice, right? Two times the charm, goodie, right? Now make sure that even though when you buy your fish at the fish market, they clean it up and they wash it, but you want to go in, open up that fish, and make sure that everything is gone. Make sure so you clean it up nice, right? You want to make sure so you have nice clean fish by your clean table in your clean kitchen, and you want to make sure of course that you wash your hands and your hands are nice and clean. As you can see right here, this is fresh fish. How you know that you have fresh fish? You can check the eyes of the fish. If they're clear or not glossy or foggy, that means the fish is not fresh. You want to make sure that the inside of the fish is nice and pink. That's how you know the fact so you have fresh fish. You go ahead, you do that step, you rinse that water off, let it sit for 30 minutes though, and you go back and repeat step number one, which is adding your salt, using your lemon. If you don't have fresh lemon here, use green lime or lemon juice. But make sure so you have some lemon to take away that rawness from the fish, and you are good to go. Now, what I do on step number two is cut the fish right here. Cut it two slices in the fish. That way it's going to make sure that the fish is tasting and full of flavor. Once I start to cook it, the seasonings are going to go into those slits, right? Slits. So make sure so you do that. Do not skip that step. And as you can see once again how fresh that fish is, that meat on the inside is really pink. Right now in the markets, everything is going fast there. So everything is selling fast. So there's no time to have these fish sitting and waiting to be sold. So yeah, this is the perfect time to buy fish from your fish market. And that is it. Your snapper is all clean and ready to cook. Now I'm gonna season it up real quick. So what I did here was go just go ahead and add some salt, onion powder, and some garlic powder and black pepper. May I make this thing really mellow without over seasoning it, right? Now I did go in with some seafood seasoning. You could use Old Bay seasoning or fish seasoning. Any kind of a seafood season that you want to use, just go ahead and do it. But I'm making this thing mellow, as you can see here. But just went ahead and just use my clean hands. Make sure your hands are clean, good when you are handling food. But I always said from day one, in a clean kitchen, clean hands all the time in a clean kitchen. I always say that. So make sure that you are practicing that twice the charm. Now, moving right along, in a pot, I added about 2 tablespoons of oil. Any kind of oil of your choice. I'm using Ochereo's curry powder right here, the mild brand, because I know some girl don't like eating up anything too hot. Me not like it. So I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of that curry powder into the oil. Then I went ahead and give it a little stir for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I went in with the garlic, fresh garlic, and that's about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and give it a next twirl for about 30 seconds, then added the veggies to the mix. Now these veggies right here, I'm going to allow it to cook. We want it to cook for about five minutes. But before I do that, I'm definitely going to go in and add the okra to it. And the okra I'm using again is uncooked. Then I added 1 cup of coconut milk. Now this is my green season right here that I made. I made a video for this, but it's not edited yet, but it'll come. I went in and added about 2 tablespoons of the green seasoning to the mix. But I have another green season recipe, and I'm going to insert that link just in case I'm not edit the one there yet. I'm going to insert the one there. You can't use that. Now I'm going to allow this to cook. Like I said, cover it for 5 minutes only. After 5 minutes only, that is what it's going to look like. Your okra is halfway cooked. Perfect, perfect. Now I want to flavor this thing up, right? You want to make sure that you give it some flavor before you add the fish to the mix. So salt was added to it for flavor, some garlic powder, and I did go in and add some onion powder to it as well. I did go in with the black pepper, and I did add some ground ginger, and you could use fresh ginger to the mix as well. Apple cider vinegar, cause you know home girl no cook without that. Me no left out my vinegar at no time, so I put that in, gave it a good mix, and that was perfect. Look how rich and thick that gravy is. Perfect. Perfection right there. So flavor and full of perfection right there. Now I'm gonna go in and add the fish to the mix. I'm only using 4 snapper fish, so if you want to add more, you can definitely add more to it. Now my fire is on medium heat only. Only. Now before I do anything else, I went in and added that half a lemon, fresh lemon to the snapper, and a half cup more of the coconut milk to the fish. I went back in with the green seasoning and had it on top of my fish like so. Yes, boo. Talk up the things, make the thing taste nice. Now, after I do that, you know you have to add your butter. So I did go in and had 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter only. Now, before the fish start cook, make sure that you dive on in and get some of that good from the bottom and bring it up to the top. Cover those bad boys up with all that flavor that you have laying around in that pot. So when that thing start to sizzle and nizzle, a flavor we are talking about galore up in the kitchen today. Yes, goodie. I saw it set right here. So now you want to cover it nice and tight and leave it unbuttered. When I say unbuttered, you know, I not talk little bit of unbuttered, I talk about seriously unbuttered. Cover it up nice and tight and let it steam for about 20 minutes. That's all you need right here. 20 minutes of cooking is going to be perfect when you are done cooking in my Jamaican kitchen. After 20 minutes, this is what you're gonna have. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Look on the gravy. The gravy is so rich and so full of flavor. You can drink this like fish tea soup. That's how nice the gravy is. Perfect on some white rice. Perfect on some rice and peas. Perfect with dumpling and banana, yellow yam. Yes, goodie. Talk to me nice. Perfect. Curry, snapper fish, and okra with coconut milk in my kitchen. Green season, top it off to the core. Every time, straight. Make sure you subscribe in the goodie and make sure you check the notification settings so that you will never miss an upload such like this. Make we put this on a plate because me ready to eat right now. Right now. Honey, I saw the thing set. Right here, so gungo rice and peas today. Huh. Talk to me nice, goodie. Talk to me nice. No, make sure say you like the recipe, you know. Give your girl a thumbs up. Share it with friends and family, neighbors. Everybody where you want to share it with, go ahead and share because what? Me no selfish. Spread the love. Now, after you done do all of that and subscribe and them thing there, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.